Last time, our brave phonics superhero found the letter A. Now a new mission has arrived. The letter M is missing from the farm. Let's help superhero Sky zoom into action. Holy haystacks! The letter M is missing? We need M to make words like moo, milk, and muffin.
The animals can't moo, the muffins won't bake, and the milk machine won't work. Let's look for the missing M.
Uh-oh, I can't moo without the letter M! Let's use our super sound scanner.
Looking for the sound M.
Can you make the M sound like Sky? Say it with us.
Whoa, something's glowing in the cornfield. Let's find all the things that start with M.
You found them. You're a phonics hero too.
Wait, look, a magic trail of M's.
The door needs the M sound to open. Let's say it together.
We did it. We found the magical M.
M is for monkey, M is for moon, M is for muffin on a silver spoon. We found the letter. Hooray, hooray. We learned the sound the phonics way. Great job, heroes. You found the letter M and saved the farm.
Keep listening for sounds all around. Next up, the letter T.